Yo, what is up, intelligent people? Today I will be showing you a screener to how to find the best Finviz screener settings for the most profitable stocks that you can absolutely trade, do whatever you want, that you can buy low then sell high, and yeah. But this video is not a financial advice, okay? I will be just showing you the filters. You can go ahead and try it for yourself, show me if it works or not. But let's just get straight to it. So first of all, what do you want to go? We are going to be using, I don't know, like, what the hell is this, bro? The ad is so kind of nasty, bro. What am I even talking about? But uh, what you want to do is just go on finviz.com. Then you go ahead and click on screener. You know the deal. Or you can just go ahead, type in finviz.com, like slash screener dot ashx, like something like that. So after that, what are we going to be filling out in this video? Will not be that long at all. We'll be just explaining you what am I going to fill. And yeah, the first thing will be, of course, we are only going to be looking for stocks. I mean, you can basically change the industry right here. You can go ahead and click in. As you can see, we have the electronic and computer like distribution. We have everything, entertainment, farm, and shit. So yeah, the next thing, we're going to be wanting stocks that are down today. Okay, like what are we talking about? We're talking about stocks that we're gonna buy low and say sell high. But we're gonna like, this is not it. Like, you gotta make, like, before you buy stocks that you want to sell high, you're gonna be looking at stocks that are that have great fundamentals, that are great companies. You feel me? So for the performance today, we want it to be the day down. After that, we want performance the two is to be today minus 5%. Okay, quite a lot. I'm not even gonna lie about that. But yeah, the next thing, we are going to be wanting the average true range, the ATR want to be zero point 0.5, over zero point 0.5. What does that, like, the average true range mean? As you see, it is a ATR. It's an exponential moving average in the 14 days like category of the true ranges. The range of the day's trading high is high slash low. True range extends it to yesterday's closing price. It was outside of today's range. The true range is equivalent to the max minus the minimum. Okay, so the true range, we want it to be over zero point 0.5. Then we want the current the relative volume, okay, to be over 1, over 75 or over 5, over 0.75 or over zero point 0.5. So let's just go with over zero point 0.5. We're left only 30 stocks, and like there will be one more thing that we're gonna fill, and we are gonna be looking for stocks that are under $20. Okay, so yeah, that is it with the filter. We are left with 17 stocks. Go ahead, kind of like try for yourself. You can go more with the like our vol, so the stock could be like really volatile. But if you go ahead, like double click on volume, so we are going to be looking at the most volatile stocks today, and just go ahead and click on charts. You'll see stocks that are quite down. So go ahead, like kind of capitalize on them. It's always like up to you what you want to do. But go ahead, screenshot the screener right here, and that's about it, guys. Peace out and have a great day for the rest of your day.